Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. I've had my 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 HD, this is an SLT trim level, for about a year and a half. And this morning, I hopped in my truck and had a problem I've never had before. No sound whatsoever. No sound from the speakers when I was playing music, and even when I turned on my turn signal indicators. Hear that sound? That wasn't even audible. And so I went into the infotainment screen, I went to settings, I did everything I could think of, and then I thought of something that I know I've talked about in past videos, and it fixed the problem. And here's what it is. You hold this button down. Now, hold it down for 10 seconds, and here's what's going to happen. Don't let it scare you. The screen is going to go blank, but this is how you fix this problem. You reset everything like this, and just give it a few seconds. I'm going to let you see this happen so you know what to look for. So if you have had this problem where you hop into your GMC Sierra, it doesn't have to be a 2500, it could be a 1500, it could be anything that has this 13.4-inch touchscreen and this technology in it that these generations have, or these models have, I should say, as of the 24 model year and as of the 22 model year for the 1500s. And you can hear that my dash cam is coming back on. Everything has been reset, and that is how I fixed that problem. I hope that helps somebody out. If there's another tutorial, tell me what it is that you need to know about, and I will do my best to make a video for you and hopefully find a fix for whatever you're dealing with. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.